what is it? What is it?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Mom, what is it?
Are you sure?
I'm fine. Make your hand. Mommy, what is it? Why were you shouting on top of your voice? Is everything okay?
So, it was a dream. It looked so real.
Mommy, it's just a dream. Okay, tell me what happened.
It was horrible. It was horrible and it was about you.
About me?
You don't want to hear about it.
I want to hear about it. So tell me, what happened? I'm fine.
Onyeka, come back here. You think you can run away, eh? Come back here, useless man.
Leave me alone now.
Leave me for what?
I thought I had work to do.
Which useless work?
Leave me alone. I thought I have work to do.
Where's the money I asked for?
Which money? Okay, did I tell you to wait until I return?
Return from where? This was the same thing you said yesterday. And you came back home with nothing. Please let me have money, Biko.
But I told you how I have debt to pay.
What debt? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You went to the permit joint and drink and you owe debt and I tell okay, you must bring that money out today. Oh.
What is all this now? Okay, wait. No, I think I have some money to give you. I have
okay,
some money
let me have money,
pocket.
please. Bring it out now.
Wait, now I have some money in my pocket to give you.
Is it not in your pocket?
Wait now. Is this not money? How much are we even talking about?
Let me have it. Onyeka! Okay, you're running there. Keep running, oh. Now, don't stop, oh, useless man. You're not ashamed of yourself. You go chat for me, but you will not drop 1 naira. Don't worry. Come on, you come back and meet me. Only believe it. Foolish man. I don't even know how I end up with this useless man.
I'll pour you water.
Wait, I want to remove something.
What's that?
Go down.
What's that?
Go down.
Go down.
I got you.
I'll kill you today.
I got you.
Okay.
No.
No, I'm not doing it.
Let's just respect ourselves.
After myself.
I'll
Finish
just
me with
avoid you. Be going. I'll avoid you.
Okay. Come now, let's go.
No. Go.
Where are you?
Hey.
No, I'm not joking.
You are joking.
I'm not joking, I'm serious. This one. Bulgaria.
I knew it. Oh God. Oh, I knew it.
Let's go.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. I won't do that again. Okay?
LMG!
My husband.
I thought you were inside.
Well, I was soaking the cassava I bought from the farm yesterday. Are you ready?
Yes, I just got a call that the other elders are ready for the journey.
Okay.
By the way, where's your son?
I saw him.
Papa, good morning, sir. Good morning.
Young man, where are you coming from? And why is your shirt soaked?
I went to Nature's house. I want to fetch water for her from the stream.
What did you just say?
I want to help her fetch water.
Your son went to Nature's place to fetch water for her. Did you hear that? After investing all my money in your education. You said you wanted to read computer science. I paid for it. You were done with that. You said, oh, Daddy, I want to read masters. I said, oh, wonderful son. I paid for it again. And this is all I get for the investment I have invested in your life. Your mates are working in multinational companies, working in oil companies. Hello? Your son got a job. He got a job fetching water for a girl every morning.
Papa, is it my fault? It's not my fault that I'm unemployed.
No, it's my fault. It's my fault if I have spent the money I spent on you to get chieftaincy title. I know the kind of respect I would have, be exuding in this community.
My husband, stop talking like this now. Stop talking like this. Me, I know our son will make it someday and make us very proud.
Oh, yes.
I'm sure.
Certainly he will. Yes, because eventually he is going to bring that girl to this house after he would have impregnated her.
God forbid.
Stupid boy.
God forbid. My son would not do such thing. He would be ready first.
Mama, let me ask you something. Mama, is it a crime that I don't have a job? Or am I the only young man in this village that doesn't have a job? Why is Papa talking to me like this? Eh?
You know your father meant well for you. He means well for you.
And he's talking to me like this. Am I a kid?
He wants you to
I was Mumaka. Hi.
So calm down. Oh? Calm down. My dear son, calm down. I understand how you feel. But your father only wants you to sit up and make it in life. But me, I know you will make it and make me your mother very proud. Are you not my son again? You must make me proud. You will make it too. You should be used to your father by now. Me, I'm used to it too. I'm used to his noise making. Oh, Mom, calm down. Calm down. Shut up. Come, let's go inside. Come and eat.
No, go and come.
Yeah. Toto one. Jama. Come on.
Why is Papa talking to you?
Forget that man, please. Eh? I'm used to his noise making.
I don't like this, so I don't like it, though. Eh?
Hey, mommy.
So, have you finished packing already?
Yes, mommy. Mommy, I am so happy. I can't wait to answer the clarion call. Mommy, why is your face like this?
I really do not want you to go.
Mommy, I thought we've talked about this already.
I know. But if that nightmare is anything to go by, then we should be worried. See, I don't want anything bad to happen to me.
Mommy, nothing bad is going to happen to me. Stop talking like this. Mommy, see, I am a big girl now. This is no longer that young girl that was going back to boarding school. I am now a big girl. Mommy, I'm going for my NYSC. Mommy, nothing is going to happen to me. Nothing. I can take care of myself. Hey, Mommy, besides, Frances was posted to the same state with me. So you see, if I take care of her, she'll take care of me. So you have nothing to worry about, Mommy. Whoa, Mommy, it's Frances. She's the one calling. Hey, baby girl. I'm fine. You're set. Me too. Yes, I'm ready. I'm so happy.
So where are you? Okay, cool. So, I'm on my way to my designer to pick up some clothes. And I hope you've not forgotten we have a flight to catch. Okay, that's fine. See you soon. I'll be waiting. Bye.
Bum Boss, these are the criminals that stole your money. They were already on their way to Dubai when one of our moves caught them at the airport.
So you rats think you can run away with my money? How come you didn't think about the consequences? Want to say something? They want to say something.
Please, boss. We never meant to betray you. Please forgive us. Please, boss.
Please, boss. I have no excuse. I just wanted a better life for myself and my family.
Where is my $200,000?
I've spent $15,000 for visa and tickets, boss. I have the balance.
Make the transfer.
Oscar has my phone.
Give him his phone.
It's done, boss.
Boss, confirmed.
Please, boss. Forgive us. Such will never repeat itself. Please.
Of course. There won't be any chance to repeat itself.
Why are you acting as if I'm living forever?
Do you think 1 year is the same thing as 1 week? Huh?
Oh, Mommy. There's no way I'm going to stay there for 1 year without visiting you. I'll still come and visit you. Ha! Please, oh, I won't risk it.
It's just that I will miss you so much.
Mommy, I will miss you more.
Okay, promise me you will take care of yourself.
I promise you I will take care of myself. So you too promise me you're going to take care of yourself.
I will.
Mommy, no worries. You're not going to think. Be careful because of BP. I won't.
Don't worry. I miss you. I miss you so much.
Take care, bye.
Mommy, don't eat late. Oh.
I won't.
I'm watching you.
I love you more, baby.
Welcome. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? But I'm eating.
You are eating?
You are eating in your father's house. That's why your mates are brainstorming in their various offices.
Afoma, what is it again?
Look at the mountainous food your son is eating. And tell me, after eating this, how can his brain function well? No, tell me, how can his brain function well?
Nine. This is the same quantity of food I've always given him in this house. Why is today's on different?
But this is why he will not want to go and hustle. This is why he will not want to go and struggle. After wasting my money on his education, this is what I get. At the end of the day, his brains, all the cells to his brain, all of them will be blocked. Nothing will be inside here. After wasting my money to send him for his education, this is what I get.
Now, Bia, my son, come. Afoma, can you see it?
Yes.
Afoma,
yes.
Now he has left the food. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
You are happy?
I am happy.
You are happy he has left this food?
Yes, I am happy because I am tired of feeding a man all the time to be a father of many nations. I am tired.
Nah, this is not fair. Nah, this is not fair.
Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, one day.
My love.
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here alone?
Nothing, just to unwind.
Unwind what? And you forgot you're supposed to go to market together.
Oh. My baby, I'm so sorry. Okay? I forgot.
Forgot what? You forgot because you had a fight with Papa, right? Yes, I'm just coming from your house and Mama told me you left the house angrily. My love, I have begged you severally to always ignore Papa. Don't let him get to you.
I try to do that, but what do? I mean, they keep pushing me to the wall.
Keep tolerating him and keep ignoring him. My love, I believe that everything will be fine. Alright? Like, it will take time.
It doesn't feel so.
But it's true. It's true. I believe in you. And I also want you to do yourself a favor by believing in yourself. You have a great destiny ahead of you. Can you do me the favor by believing in yourself? Can you do that for me? It's okay. Can we go to the market now? Not like you have a choice. Can you cheer up now?
There's something I want to talk to you about.
What is it? Can't you see I'm listening to the network news?
It's the network news. That network news is not as important as the problem we have in this family.
Okay, what is it?
It's about our son, Simon. I'm not comfortable with the way you're treating him in this house. Simon, our son, is a brilliant and vibrant young man. He can make it in life, either in the near future or even in far future. But with the way you're pushing him now, you're pushing him so hard that he could lead him to doing something evil, just to make money, to impress you. And then put us into trouble. Is that what you want?
What nonsense are you talking about? What evil deal are you talking about? Does he know how I got money to train him in school? Come, your son is only just being lazy. Lazy because he has a father and mother to run to when he's hungry. Lazy because he has a father and mother to run to when he has a need. He even has a girlfriend. I don't want to talk about that boy again. In fact, very soon, I'm going to send him out of this house to go and hustle so that he will know how life and what life is all about. Please, you're disturbing me.
Nani.
Buy a lot of things for you.
Like what?
It depends on what you want now. I don't know what you like.
I want you.
Who?
Just you.
Just me?
Yes.
You can't
Simon! Simon! Where is the money you stole from my bag?
For which money?
Where is the money you stole from my bag? Hey, don't play that ignorant game with me. I'm not your mate. Where is my money?
Papa, I did not take...
Hey! Something wrong with you? I sent you to school to read and not to become a criminal. I'm not proud to call you my son.
Papa, I did not take your money. And I'm not a thief.
You stole my money! You stole my money!
Papa, please.
Where is my money?
Papa, please stop. It has not gotten to this, please.
Tell your useless boyfriend to return my money before I call the police now.
My love, did you take the money?
What? How could you ask me such a question?
He is lying. He stole my money. Then who else did it?
Papa, I did not take your money. Papa, you just have to stop this now.
You stole my money. He stole my money.
What is going on here? Why are you harassing my son?
Your son stole my money from this bag.
What money?
10,000 naira.
Yeah? Yesterday I was going to the market. You asked me to take money from this bag.
How much was it?
10,000. And I am sure it's the same money you are accusing my son of stealing.
From this bag?
From this bag.
Papa.
Apologize to him.
For what?
I don't even need his apologies. I don't need it. Come, let's gather for fear.
Yeah? What has my son done to you? To deserve the kind of treatment you give him in this house? There is nothing you have not done to this boy in this house. Now you are accusing him of stealing your money.
What he has done to me is more than stealing.
What has he done to you?
He deceived me to spend all my money, my life savings. And now his future is useless.
My son's future is not useless. He's not useless, Afoma. Ogenedu, is he the only jobless young man in this village? Don't worry. It's not your fault.
Your star will shine.
I know my fault.
One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day.
How? Seriously, girl. These 3 weeks has to be the worst 3 weeks of my life. Like, I regret it. Ha! Do you know, it was almost like I should just close my eyes and open it. We're out of the camp. Thank God we're finally out of that camp. Ha! I almost died. God forbid.
And I don't know what you're nagging about. As for me, I had the most adventurous and amazing 3 weeks of my life. Yes! I wish camp never ended. You don't know the joy I feel being away from those my nosy parents.
Sinner girl.
Righteous girl. As for me, I am in this town to have fun. Real fun. And no one is going to stop it. Hold on. Hello? Connell? Hi. I'm fine. Oh, sure. Yes. 1 hour is fine. 1 hour is fine. It's a deal, Connell. It's a deal. I'll be there. Okay. Bye.
Have you ended the call?
Yes.
Connell. Hazen. Connell from the camp.
Yes.
Frances. Is it not too early?
Ella, calm down. Before you start putting A where there is no B, or just calm down. There's nothing going on between us.
Yet.
Okay, look. He promised to get me a better job. And you know I need it. So, if truly he does that for me, I can now decide to allow him have a bite from my cooking.
Frances, is that not too early? If you ask me, it's still too early.
It's just the bite. It's not the whole cookie. I have to get ready.
You're still going?
Yes, I'm going.
Simon. Again, where are you rushing to? You're acting as if you didn't see me.
You've not heard?
Heard what?
NDBC is back.
Which NDBC are you talking about?
I want NDBC now.
What happened?
You've not heard the Coco? NDBC came back very rich.
Wait, our own NDBC? In Kemma?
I'm telling you, NDBC came back. NDBC is sharing money, sharing dollars.
NDBC? That left 7 months ago.
I am telling you. How you do that one, Ekene, man?
You see, you know why I'm laughing?
What is funny?
I don't know how you people think. You think that someone will just enter city and start picking money on the road? Is it easy like that?
What out as you?
My friend, come and escort me. Let's go.
Escort you go where?
Leave this in your talking. See.
NDBC
that left 7 months.
This afternoon. I was on my way to NDBC's place to go collect my own dollar. So see you later.
Onyeka, wait for me. Cello. Yeah, idiot.
Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your
Mama, enjoy my money. Enjoy my money. Mama, enjoy my money. God have answered your prayer. My mother answer your mother. Mama, answer your body. Mama, don't worry your son. God has answered your prayer. I'm wiping your tears away. So that's what it is. Mama, down. God has answered your prayer. Got a lot of money because you are not dancing. Because you are not dancing. Your brother has made it. Your brother is a rich boy. Mama. See money. Money. Mama, that's for me. Answer the prayer. Mama, that's for your word.
Don't touch my son's man.
Listen, is this you? So this is true.
I told you.
So you're back with plenty money.
With dollars. I told you he's sharing dollars. I saw him on the road.
Sorry, don't mind me. Who are you guys again?
Imanozai. This is Simon.
And Onyeka. Your guys now. Your mess is in a village before a poor. My mom.
Oh, don't mind me. You know, when you made money, you understand what I'm trying to relate here. Or get my point? See, don't blame me. I have made a lot of money.
I understand.
So I have formatted my brain. So anything poverty is the past tense.
I understand.
Huh?
You're saying the truth. I understand. You're right.
My man, Simon.
Hey! We've actually dived into these riches. We've dived.
It's okay. Allow them to be honest. No. Allow them. Don't worry.
Thank you, my brother.
Allow them. You know.
Thank you.
We are operating now.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Allow them. God has blessed us. Mama, don't worry.
Yes, he has.
God has blessed us. The level we are now, we need to help the poor and the needy.
Yes.
Get my point? So we have a lot where this one came from. So don't bother yourself. Allow them to.
God bless you. God bless you.
Enjoy your money, please. Just allow them. Allow them.
So this is true.
So enjoy. Let me increase the music so that you can dance and celebrate with me.
God bless you. Yes.
Enjoy my money, and the money is your money.
Hey, Andy, you know we've been friends before you left the village.
Yes.
Please, we would like to know how you were able to make it so quickly.
I hope you're not trying to interrogate me. Or do you want to rat me?
You see, what someone is trying to say is that we are friends. We are still friends. And as such, you're in a better position to help us. Guy, we don't suffer tire for this village. We have suffered.
Guy, there is no way to make money that is easy. If I knew what I know now, it is better for me to remain poor than to be rich. See, to make money is so hard. You prefer to be like this than to become and the money. Honestly.
My brother, there's this say that says, the rich also cry. I rather cry as a rich man than to laugh like a poor man.
I'm telling you, my brother, there is no award for poverty. Had they a poor man award?
Alright guys, we are here to have fun and to enjoy ourselves and marry, okay? We'll have a lot of time to discuss about this. So enjoy yourself. Later we'll talk about it. And the money is capable to pay the bills, okay? Make your order. If you need 10 plates of pepper soup, I am capable. If you need 100 crates of Heineken beer, I am capable. I will do that. Barman, please get us more drinks and pepper soup and beef, please, okay? Just enjoy. Later we'll have time to discuss. Don't worry, we'll discuss about it.
It's very important.
Don't worry, enjoy yourself.
Yes, we know that we are here to enjoy, but you need to.
One more bottle, one more. Okay, no.
Make it 2.
Round table, eh?
Don't worry, enjoy yourself. And the money is here. I have a lot of money. Don't worry, later we will talk about it. Don't talk about that.
My God, this place looks deserted.
Yeah. Maybe they're inside. Let's check. Let's know. Good there. Papa.
Where are you looking?
Papa. Mungo. No.
How are you now?
Mungo, where is
He has gone.
Okay, you mean he has gone out, right? I told you. He will be at that bar waiting for us. Let us quickly rush. So, it seems you're
not paying attention to what I'm saying. I said he has gone back to America.
Mungo, I know you don't really like us. I know that quite well. But you can't be lying to us because of this little thing. The busy boy ain't kind
Okay. So what? As a family, people should go to the bar. I think you will see him there. Frog had. I was busy before you people came, so I'll go back.
What did she just call us?
No,
did she just call us Umokoko? And we leave this girl. Let us go to the bar. I believe this guy will be there waiting for us.
What? I think she's saying the truth. BC has actually scammed us and left.
You think so?
Yeah, it's both scam. Hey.
But why would you do such a thing now? What about the dollars he promised us? What kind of insult is this?
Onne. But they're going to insult her now. As far as I'm concerned, Bali and Ade. He has scammed us. Come, let's go. This is an insult.
So, does it mean that we cannot have the dollars? I don't understand.
One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, I believe one day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, I believe one day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, I believe be focused in life, just do what is right. Cut your cloth according to your size. Trust in God, He will do it for you. Everybody has a destiny in this life. Only time will tell. Ochake, oge koge bu, chukwa sepele.
What's the problem? Why are you like this?
Mama, nothing.
Are you hungry? Let me get your food. I prepared your favorite.
Mama, I'm fine. I'm not hungry.
Ekene, let me bring your food before your father gets.
Mama, I said I'm fine. I'm not hungry. I just heard what I said now.
Yay!
Be focused in life. Just do what is right. Cut your cloth according to your size. Trust in God, He will do it for you. Everybody has a destiny in this life. Only time will tell. Ochake, oge koge bu, chukwa sepele.
Destiny can be delayed. I am fine. I have missed you so much. I hope they are not stressing you too much then.
I hope you're eating well too. Eh? Yeah, I begged you to be redeployed, but you refused. Hey, babe, wait, guess what? No, just guess who I saw yesterday. Okay, wait, let me help you. Yes, I saw David. You're David now. The David that you had a great crush on, that you lost his contact. Yes. He will call you. But remember where he got your contact from. Yes, now. You're one and only mommy now. Mommy of life. Mommy of life now, you know that. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Baby, the driver is here. I will talk to you later. Let me get to the office. Love you. Keep being real. Be yourself. Okay, my love. Hey, Kenneth.
Who there?
Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
You get card?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me MTN.
Okay. How much on?
200 naira.
Let me bring some.
I'm going to bring. Thank you. Hello? Where are you?
Look, Colonel of whatever they call you, I gave you my time. What did you do instead? You left me hanging. No, Colonel, we are done. What am I even saying? We never started anything, so it's good riddance. I have another call. Hi, sweet boy. You're outside my house. Okay, I'm coming. Who is this one again? Okay. You know what they say about when one door closes, another one opens. So while I was waiting for this Momo Colonel, Oscar walked up to me. He kept me company, but that's not the real gist. Guess.
Guess what?
Guess.
I can't guess.
Okay. He promised to get me a job at his boss's clubhouse. As an auditor.
In a clubhouse?
Yes. How do I look? Okay?
You look like Frances.
I thought you would say that. Bye.
Just leave me alone, please.
My love, hold on. Please. Hold on, please. You know I can't leave you alone.
Okay, tell me, what do you want me to listen to? Like, I've heard everything worth hearing.
My love, I want to go and search for money so I can come back and take care of you and our unborn children.
Wow.
Please.
Very nice offer. But please, don't go. Please.
My love.
Please.
I just have to go. It's for our own good. Okay? Please understand me.
Please don't go. Please. Please don't go. Please don't leave me. Please.
My love,
please,
I just need to go. It's for our own good. You need to understand. Please.
Please don't go. Please.
I am not leaving you. I'll still come back.
No, you're leaving. Please, Papa. Please, say something. Say something.
One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, I believe
Have you seen Simon today? Nai.
Stop asking inconsequential questions.
What is inconsequential about
You
this?
should know his office. Go to his girlfriend's house, who he fetches water for every morning.
It is almost 12 p.m. This is very much unlike him.
I have told you where he is. What else to do?
Nani.
Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, I believe one day your star will shine. One day.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
I was coming to your house. I thought Simon would be with you. Where is he?
He didn't tell you.
Tell me what?
He told me he was leaving the village.
But where? Who does he know?
He said something about his old school friend.
And he didn't bother to tell me his mother?
Mama, he never wanted to leave. I even tried persuading him, but the thought of fighting with Papa every day is really bothering him.
Ofoma. Chai. Ofoma has finally succeeded in sending my only son away from this village. He's alright.
Mama, I'll come to the house later.
No problem.
One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, I believe one day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day, I believe
You have succeeded, right? You have succeeded. I don't know what my son did to you that made you hate him this much. I don't know, Ofoma.
What is it?
Someone has left the village.
Oh, he finally woke up. Just that he did not wake up early enough. So, was that the reason why you started to rant at me like, come on, let him go to the city and see the way life is instead of running around in the village like a useless man?
Ofoma, just pray nothing happens to my son. I say pray nothing happens to my son, because if anything happens to my son, you see this house, it will be too hot for us. You will say I told you.
Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day.
Oscar, wait first. Please help me understand something here. Does the boss just order for someone to be killed? Because I hope I'm not going to be asked to do so or to bring someone.
Oh, calm down. Okay, let me just put it this way. My boss, your new boss, does not tolerate anything betrayal. Okay? His response to betrayal is always catastrophic. But as far as you're working under him, don't get carried away, you'll be fine.
Carried away?
Brother, this game has a lot of money in it. A lot of money. And now let me sound this as a warning to you. No matter what happens, do not touch, I repeat, do not touch anything that does not belong to you, or any money at all that is not given to you. Okay? Stick to this plan, you'll be fine. And let me remind you that your oath will be taking place soon.
Oath?
Yes, the boss always demands an oath of allegiance from anybody that works under him.
But does that give him the right to kill?
Yes. Yes. But as far as you're in your own lane, you're good. Okay? So don't worry, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on.